मित्रांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त गुण मिळविण्यासाठी सततचा सराव खूपच महत्त्वाचा असतो. आम्ही बनविलेले व्हिडिओज जर आपण पुन्हा पुन्हा पाहिले व शेवटपर्यंत पाहिले तर नक्कीच त्याचा खूप फायदा होईल. आपण टॉप स्कोरर बनाल, कारण प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.
Dear students, now learn the question answers of lesson number 2, India events after 1960. Question 1. A. Choose the right option and rewrite the sentence. 1. The Prime Minister of India who took an initiative in resolving the question of the Tamil minority in Sri Lanka was dash dash. Options are Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, S.D. Devegowda, P.V. Narasimha Rao. Rajiv Gandhi. The Prime Minister of India who took an initiative in resolving the question of the Tamil minority in Sri Lanka was Rajiv Gandhi. 2. Dash dash is the father of the Green Revolution in India. Options are D.R. Verghese Kurien, Homi Bhabha, M.S. Swaminathan, Dr. Norman Borlaug. M.S. Swaminathan. M.S. Swaminathan is the father of the Green Revolution in India. B. Identify the wrong pair and rewrite the corrected one. 1. Indira Gandhi, Emergency. 2. Rajiv Gandhi, Development in Science and Technology. 3. P.V. Narasimha Rao, Economic Improvements. 4. Chandrasekhar Mandal Commission. Answer. Wrong pair is Chandrasekhar Mandal Commission. Correct pair, Chandrasekhar. Indian economy was in a crisis situation. Question number 2. A. Based on the information in the chapter, prepare a chronological chart of Prime Ministers and their tenure. Answer. Prime Minister tenure. 1. Jawaharlal Nehru, 1947 to 27 May 1964. 2. Lal Bahadur Shastri, 9 June 1964 to 11 January 1966. 3. Morarji Desai, 24 March 1977 to 28 July 1979. 4. Charan Singh, 28 July 1979 to 14 January 1980. 5. Indira Gandhi, 14 January 1980 to 31 October 1984. 6. Rajiv Gandhi, 31 October 1984 to 2 December 1989. 7. V.P. Singh, 2 December 1989 to 10 November 1990. 8. Chandrasekhar, 10 November 1990 to 21 June 1991. 9. P.V. Narasimha Rao, 21 June 1991 to 16 May 1996. 10. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 16 May 1996 to 1 June 1996. 11. S.D. Devegowda, 1 June 1996 to 21 April 1997. 12. Inder Kumar Gujral, 21 April 1997 to 19 March 1998. 13. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 19 March 1998 to 22 May 2004. B. Write short notes on 1. Globalization. Answer: 1. Globalization brought about many changes in different fields like economy, politics, science and technology, and society and culture. 2. India has emerged as an important country on the global scene in different spheres. India is an important member of international organizations like G20 and BRICS. 3. India has experienced an important revolution in the field of telecommunication technology. Mobile phones, internet, and the communication facilities based on satellite have spread all across the country. 4. All this has resulted in a total transformation in the lifestyle of Indians and especially the youth. These changes are visible from their dietary habits, clothing, language, and beliefs. Two. White Revolution. Answer: new scientific agricultural techniques increased the production of food grains. Thereafter, experiment in cooperative dairy movement by Dr. Verghese Kurian led to increase of milk production in India. This is called as White Revolution. Question number 3. A. Give reasons. 1. The Morarji Desai government lasted for a short while. Answer: 1. On the backdrop of emergency, many opposition parties came together and formed a party called the Janata Party. 2. The Congress party led by Indira Gandhi was roundly defeated by this newly formed Janata Party. 3. Morarji Desai became the Prime Minister, but under his leadership, the Janata Party government couldn't last long due to internal differences. Therefore, Morarji Desai government lasted for a short while. 2. The army had to be sent into the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Answer: 1. The Golden Temple at Amritsar is a holy shrine of the Sikhs. In 1984, the terrorists allegedly took shelter there. 2. The Sikhs in Punjab demanded an independent state of Khalistan and began a movement which went on to become violent and destructive. 3. Pakistan had lent its support to this movement. Therefore, army had to be sent into the Golden Temple in Amritsar to evict the terrorists from there. 3. The National Planning Commission was set up in India. Answer: 1. Modernization of economy, economic self-sufficiency, and social justice have been the characteristics of Indian economy. 2. India wanted to acquire modernity and self-reliance by establishing industries and economy based on social justice through planning. 3. The National Planning Commission was established so that it would coordinate development through the policy of 5 years plans. Therefore, the National Planning Commission was set up in India. B. Answer the following questions in 25 to 30 words. 1. How was 1991 a year of important changes in the history of the world and of India? Answer. The year 1991 is held to be very important in the history of the world in India. 1. The Soviet Union disintegrated into several different small countries and the Cold War came to an end. 2. The government under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao initiated many changes in the Indian economy. 3. The Ram Janmabhoomi and Babri Mosque issues at Ayodhya came to the forefront. 2. What are the characteristics of the Indian economy? Answer. 1. Low per capita income. In India, the national income and per capita income is very low, and it is considered as one of the basic features of underdevelopment. As per World Bank estimates, the per capita income of India stood at about $720. 2. Dependence of agriculture. Indian economy is characterized by too much dependence on agriculture, and thus it is primarily producing out of the total working population of our country. A very high portion of it is engaged in agriculture and allied activities, which contributed a large share in the national income of our country. 3. High rate of population growth. India is maintaining a very high rate of growth of population since 1950. Thus, the pressure of population in our country is very heavy. This has resulted from a very high level of birth rates coupled with a falling level of death rates prevailing in our country. 4. Existence of chronic unemployment and underemployment. Rapid growth of population coupled with inadequate growth of secondary and tertiary occupations are responsible for the occurrence of chronic unemployment and underemployment problem in our country. 5. Poor rate of capital formation. Capital deficiency is one of the characteristic features of the Indian economy. Both the amount of capital available per head and the present rate of capital formation in India is very low. 6. Inequality in the distribution of wealth. Another important characteristic of the Indian economy is the maldistribution of wealth. The assets are got distributed in unequal manner. Few people have too much wealth, some people have very moderate wealth, while others have very less. Even some people have to rely on daily wages. 7. Low level of technology. Prevalence of low level of technology is one of the important characteristics of an underdeveloped economy like India. The economy of our country is thus suffering from technological backwardness. Obsolete techniques of production are largely being applied in both the agricultural and industrial sectors of our country. Question number 4. With the help of the information in the chapter complete the list of the challenges before India and the strengths of India. So see the chart, the challenges in front of India and strengths. India-Pakistan war. So in strength we have unity in diversity. Poverty. So strengths, in strengths, development through 5 years plans, Garibi Hatao campaign, etc. campaigns are there. Now next one, nuclear preparedness. Why is it for? Because the challenge is of foreign aggressions. If there are foreign aggressions, then we have nuclear preparedness. Next one is separatism. So if there is any problem or issue of separatism, then we have strict actions using army reinforcement.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राइब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राइब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राइब करा.